Hello guys. In today's video I am gonna show you how to create this typography portrait in Photoshop. Let's start. First open your image. Duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Convert layer to Smart Object. Then go to Filter and choose Gaussian Blur. Set radius to 3.0. Click OK. Go to File and save as map.psd. Delete blur layer. Now import your text. Adjust your text accordingly. Convert text layer to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Distort and Displace. Set vertical and horizontal scale 20. And click OK. Select map.psd and click Open. Place image layer to top. And create black solid color. Select image layer, right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Duplicate image layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Create an invert mask. Select Brush Tool. Reduce flow to around 50. Erase text around eyes. At last select an all layers and an merge visible.